Report the meaning of online problematic situations for children is explaining what children perceive as negative or problematic while using the internet and digital technologies. The report is based on data collection in 9 European countries. We carried out focus groups and interviews with altogether 378 children in these 9 countries. The report is structured in 4 sections, focused on experiences, awareness with problematic situations, dealing with problematic situations, and mediation of children. In the first section we describe children's perceptions and experiences and related feelings concerning online problematic situations. For example, we revealed that children very often share personal information and also passwords with family and friends, and they don't perceive this activity as risky, although they experienced pretty often misuse of personal information or hacking their accounts through their shared passwords. In second section we explain how is awareness about the internet and the digital technologies created. We find out that children are strongly influenced not only by parents and peers, but also by media. Especially in situations where children don't have many experiences with the problematic, such as meeting online strangers, children very much rely on reports from media. For example, for this meeting strangers issue, they describe often horror stories from media, such as meeting with pedophiles and similarly. In third section we describe also how children deal with problematic situations. We explain what strategies children use to prevent these situations and then what they do if they already experience the situation. We revealed that children of different ages report different coping strategies when they experience problematic situations. Older children more rely on preventive strategies, but younger children more avoid these situations. The report is focused also on mediation of children by parents, peers and media, and also siblings and family members. We find out that younger children perceive parental mediation more as positive, but older children have more mixed feelings concerning parental mediation because they more often rely on opinion or awareness or mediation from peers. To summarize, the report describes extremely broad variety of experiences, awareness, coping and mediation of children's digital media use. We are not able to explain all this variety in such a short time, so I just recommend everybody to read the report. Thank you.